In today's dynamic business landscape, efficiency and streamlined operations are paramount. Companies, regardless of their size or industry, are constantly seeking tools that can help them manage their workflows, collaborate effectively, and ultimately achieve their goals. Among the plethora of software solutions available, Zoho has emerged as a popular choice for businesses across the globe. As a project management expert, I've had the opportunity to witness firsthand the transformative impact Zoho's suite of applications can have on an organization. This video delves into the key reasons why companies are increasingly turning to Zoho to power their operations. A comprehensive ecosystem, more than just one tool. One of the most compelling reasons for Zoho's widespread adoption is its extensive and integrated ecosystem of applications. Unlike many software vendors that offer specialized tools, Zoho provides a vast array of services covering nearly every aspect of business operations. From customer relationship management, CRM, and sales automation to project management, marketing, finance, and human resources, Zoho offers a unified platform where different departments can seamlessly interact and share data. Imagine a sales team using Zoho CRM to manage leads and customer interactions. Once a deal is closed, the project details can be directly transferred to Zoho projects, allowing the project management team to kick off the work without manual data entry or the risk of information silos. Similarly, marketing campaigns managed in Zoho campaigns can be linked to CRM data, providing a holistic view of customer engagement. This interconnectedness eliminates the friction often associated with using disparate software solutions, leading to increased efficiency and better decision-making. Scalability and flexibility. Growing with your business. Businesses evolve and their software needs change accordingly. Zoho understands this and offers a highly scalable and flexible platform that can adapt to the growth trajectory of any organization. Whether you're a small startup with a handful of employees or a large enterprise with complex workflows, Zoho has solutions that can be tailored to your specific requirements. For instance, a small business might start with Zoho One, a comprehensive suite that bundles together numerous applications at an affordable price. As the business expands, it can easily add more users or upgrade to more advanced versions of specific applications without having to overhaul its entire software infrastructure. This scalability ensures that companies can invest in a solution that meets their current needs while having the confidence that it can support their future growth. Furthermore, Zoho offers a high degree of customization. Businesses can tailor applications to match their unique processes, create custom workflows, and integrate with other third-party tools when necessary. This flexibility ensures that Zoho doesn't force businesses into a rigid operational model, but rather adapts to their existing ways of working. Cost-effectiveness, value without compromise. In today's economic climate, cost-effectiveness is a crucial consideration for any business investment. Zoho stands out by offering a compelling value proposition. Compared to many of its competitors, Zoho provides a feature-rich suite of applications at a more affordable price point. This is particularly attractive to small and medium-sized businesses that may have budget constraints but still require robust software solutions to compete effectively. Zoho's transparent pricing model, often based on per-user subscriptions, allows businesses to easily predict their software costs. The availability of various pricing tiers ensures that companies can choose a plan that aligns with their specific needs and budget. This cost-effectiveness doesn't come at the expense of functionality. Zoho's applications are packed with features that rival those of more expensive alternatives, providing businesses with a powerful toolkit without breaking the bank. User-friendliness and accessibility. Empowering your team. The effectiveness of any software solution hinges on its usability. Zoho places a strong emphasis on creating intuitive and user-friendly interfaces across its suite of applications. This reduces the learning curve for employees, leading to faster adoption and increased productivity. The clean and well-organized design makes it easy for users to navigate the various features and functionalities, even without extensive technical training. Moreover, Zoho's applications are accessible across various devices, including desktops, laptops, tablets, and smartphones. This mobile accessibility allows employees to stay connected and productive regardless of their location, which is particularly important in today's increasingly remote and distributed work environments. Whether it's checking project updates on the go or responding to customer inquiries from a mobile device, Zoho empowers teams to stay agile and responsive. Strong focus on integration and automation, boosting efficiency. As mentioned earlier, the seamless integration between Zoho's applications is a significant advantage. This integration extends beyond just data sharing. Zoho also offers powerful automation capabilities that can streamline repetitive tasks and workflows. For example, sales leads captured in Zoho CRM can automatically trigger follow-up emails in Zoho campaigns, or project tasks can be automatically assigned to team members based on predefined rules in Zoho projects. These automation features free up valuable time for employees to focus on more strategic and high-value activities. By eliminating manual processes and reducing the risk of errors, automation contributes significantly to increased efficiency and productivity across the organization. Zoho's drag-and-drop workflow builders and pre-built integrations make it relatively easy for businesses to implement these automations without requiring extensive coding knowledge. Data security and reliability, building trust. In an era of increasing data breaches and privacy concerns, security is paramount. Zoho understands this and invests heavily in robust security measures to protect its users' data. This includes data encryption, regular security audits, and compliance with industry standards. Businesses can trust that their sensitive information is being handled with the utmost care and security. Furthermore, Zoho boasts a reliable infrastructure with minimal downtime. This ensures business continuity and prevents disruptions to critical operations. The stability and reliability of the platform are crucial factors for companies that depend on these tools for their day-to-day activities.